Hello, everybody. Nice to see you today. So let's start our session for this day. In a couple of minutes, we're gonna start trading. But first things first, tell me, how are you doing? How is everything going on? And we had actually first session today already, and we got around like $216, something around that. So that's a good start of the day. But tell me, how are you doing? How's everything going on? And let's get to Quotex. Okay, so currency pairs. Do we need to add anything? Do we have any top payouts? Looking at the pound, maybe, yeah. Two currency pairs with Australian dollar. And we will start quite soon. So tell me, how are you doing? Where are you from? That's also an interesting question. Where are you from? And just in general, how are you doing? I'm so nervous. This is the first official. So let's finally start. Let's go. Theo, what situation do we have here right now? Right now, we had a good opportunity to enter into a trend for a downward trend, right? We had a price touching the resistance 4 times, and from the last touch, we have a breakthrough, but we lost that moment. So let's move on to something else. And by the way, I have a new account. We have a balance around, not around $10,500. This is going to be specifically for streaming. This account doesn't have any history, so we can actually look at stats and see how are we doing with the streams. So Euro GPY, what do we have here? We had an uptrend actually here, and maybe we will be able to enter into a deal for a downward trend. But first, let me add, where is it? Yeah, this one. We had some sort of trend line that way. That was an aggressive trend, and we have a breakthrough after double top. So the first deal is going to be opened for $50 for a downtrend, and your currency pair Euro and GPY, Japanese yen. We have obvious uptrend, really fast one, and the price reached this level. It kind of went downwards, doing such sort of a pullback, and the second time it touched the same level, and after the second time the price went downwards. So we are thinking that it's a breakout and expecting the price to go downwards. And by the way, I'm gonna be working with $50. That's gonna be the first deal for today, and let me explain why. With streams, I'm trying to open as much deals as possible to show you as many situations as possible. And that's why I'm risking much more than usual, and I need to use more Martingale, and that's why I'm lowering the amount of money that I am using during the trading to have a logical risk management. So let's look at the chart. What do we have? Oh, goodness gracious, we have a lot. We have a lot. Hello, Best. How am I doing? I'm great. How are you doing, Best? Nike, hello. Patrick. Doing good, Alice. Thank you. And how are you? I'm doing amazing. Again, amazing. Nice to see you here, guys. And I'm hoping that today we're going to have a good session today. Next one. Tatiana, Alice, I love you. That's a bit weird to hear that from a woman, but I love you too. What else? Hello from Nigeria. Everyone, hello again. Hello. Let's get back to our chart, and it doesn't really look good. The price is dancing around the entry point, and nothing good is happening. But in general, if we see, there are any stress points for the price to do the reversal right now. So I think that the price should go down. It should. Please Just please, we have a little consolidation here, but it doesn't look that bad, to be quite honest. We have 30 seconds left. And guys, I want to remind you that if you are going to trade with me, along with me, and copy all the deals that I'm doing right now, please be careful. First of all, I do not recommend it. Second, the stream might be a little slower for you, so it depends on where you live. And my deal could be closed in black, and yours can be closed in red. So please be careful. If we have a big time difference, then definitely do not do it. Just look what's going on here. And the first deal is closed in black. So we got $95 and $45 of profit. So if the first one is opened with me and yours is also closed in black with me, put a little plus in the chat so I can see how many people are trading with me. And with the next situation, we have a downtrend. So you can see that obviously price was moving upwards, but this movement upwards was weird. There was a corridor, but I think there might be a downtrend. So let me put a little trend line right here. If you hear some noises, I'm really sorry. This is an air conditioner because it's freaking hot as hell. But for this situation, I'm not sure if we should enter into a deal for a downward trend. But the previous structure of an uptrend is broken already because the previous low was much higher. So I think it should work and the downtrend is valid. Quick second deal for today, and the deal is opened. Let me 1 second. I'm gonna add Stochastic, simple settings, original settings, and it's much more comfortable for me to work with the same settings. But first things first, I want to remind you that we have the next deal. Oh my god, we have so many messages. Hello everybody, nice to see all of you. Tatiana, Alice, how are you? In the last video you said you were sick. I wasn't like sick, I wasn't just feeling good. I have my vitamins right here with me as always. Because I know it's winter, even though it's hot inside, outside it's still quite freezy, let me say. Oh, I see that one person is working with me as well, which is amazing. And I didn't said out loud, so the second deal is opened on a currency pair USD GPY for 3-minute expiration time using $50. And we entered a bit early, but globally I think we did everything correctly. I don't see a mistake on my part, so let's see. We have a 1 minute 40, almost 40, like 30 seconds. What are you doing, Price? Go down. Go down. Oh, it's listening to me. But we still have some time left. Please even lower. Please go even lower. Thank you. But I definitely see the downtrend in this situation, and the previous level was broken through. So I believe that there is no mistake on my part. For now, let's quickly look at other currency pairs. Not to waste our time for nothing. Here we have a big uptrend on Euro GBP and Euro dollar. This situation is actually quite interesting, I would say. There is kind of a resistance level. Let me 1 second to put a little rectangle and explain why I think it's important. So somewhere right here from this point, somewhere here, we saw that the price actually dropped from that level, even lower, yeah. And right now, the price went back to this level again. For now, we don't really have the confirmation that from here we're going to enter into a deal for another trend. And this deal is unfortunately closed. Oh, what? What? What the hell is going on? Yeah, so this deal was closed right at the entry point, right at the entry point. So we didn't lose the money, but we didn't really get any money. Do I want to enter into another deal at the same place? I actually think if the next candlestick will give us understanding that there is a possibility that the price is going to go down, maybe we will be able to do that. But for now, let's move on. Let's move on. So euro dollar. Right here, I'm interested in this situation. Could we open a deal for an upward trend? Stochastic is actually in the oversold area. And that means that if we have a good reaction from the price, we could enter into a deal for an upward trend. But for now, we see that there is a lot of pressure from sellers and buyers. We don't really have a good confirmation. So let's look at GPY. Something weird is going on here, to be quite honest with you. I'm confused. I'm confusion. But for now, I guess it is what it is. Definitely we're not entering into a deal for a downward trend. But I'm thinking if the price drops right now, could we possibly enter in on the next one? And I'm not sure. Should we risk it? What do you think? Tell me your opinion. If I should risk it, leave a comment. Oh, what the hell is going on? I don't know. I don't understand. No, okay, don't leave a comment about this specific situation, or you can tell me if you would risk it and enter into a deal. But for now, I'm gonna move on for the next one, euro dollar. And the price actually doesn't really react on the level that we are interested in. Let's see what you're talking about right now in the chat. Explore the world. Hello, hello. Jade, hello. Oh, hi from Kazakhstan. Hello, hello. I'm great. How are you doing? Oh, some Russian commentary. Hello, hello as well. Oh, you won't risk it. Yeah, see, that's what I thought. I won't risk it as well, as you can definitely already see it. So, what about now? There is some sort of reaction on the level right here. We have this foolish hammer candlestick, but we need to look at the next candlestick. So if the price is gonna go down, so not down. If it's gonna go up, because I'm looking at the price and it's going down, I need it to go up, then we would enter into a deal for an upward trend. And I wanted to say that I finally have $10,000 on Quotex account and I have VIP status. So for each currency pair, the payout is going to be higher by 4%. So if you see that your payout is lower for like 4%, don't worry about that. It's just because I have a VIP status and that's why payout is a bit higher than normal. I don't think it's fair that you need to put 10,000, like I would say maybe like a turnover of some sort or something, because that limits people to get VIP status. So I don't know. In general, I believe Pocket Option had a different program. But in any case, let's move on to another currency pair. Maybe not. Let's put a little notification here. If it breaks this level, we will get back to the chart and enter into a deal for an uptrend. British pound and Australian dollar. We obviously have a great level of resistance. Let me put it visually for you right here. Yup, that looks good to me. And support, I wouldn't say it's quite obvious, at least for now, because it's the second time the price is dancing around in that area. So let's move on to something else. USD and Canadian dollar, nothing interesting. Oh, AUD, GPY. Alrighty, this situation is much more intriguing. So let's put this little level of support. So from this level, the price jumped from 3 times and we had impulse growth. Then we had an impulse downfall of the price, and the price is doing some sort of consolidation along the level. So it's too early to enter into a deal, but we need to, follow up with this one, because if the next candlestick is closed in green, probably we will have the same growth that we had before. And Stochastic is actually also giving us signal to buy, but we are waiting for confirmation from a candlestick. And just so we don't waste time, let's put a little notification. If the price is going to reach this level, then we will think about entering a deal for an uptrend. And for now, moving on, because I want to show you as much as possible. Canadian dollar, price is consolidating again on the same level. All the currency pairs today kind of have a weird situation. The price is not jumping from the level, it's doing consolidation. And in the morning we had similar thing happening on the market. There are no good reactions. 3 touches, 4 touches, breakthrough, and now it's just doing some consolidation. Weird. Let's move on to something else. Euro dollar. Here we see that the price is actually gonna go down, but we will wait because it's too risky, Oh, so that was the first one that we looked at, and there was a breakthrough of a trend line. There is still the structure of a downtrend because we still have that high, and still that seems to look interesting, but let's wait. Let's wait and see. We still have other currency pairs. In general, this situation doesn't look that bad for a downward deal, but it's too risky again. I am risking today for the stream, but not that much, Nothing interesting. What the hell? See, even now, it's still doing the freaking consolidation. Why? Why are you doing this? Let's move on. Look at it. Just look at it. The hell? The heck? Well, at least this one looks different, but that doesn't mean that I have anything interesting to work with, because here we have sort of a trend line, but it's oh, this freaking thing, I hate it. I need to walk around it or move it somewhere. Ugh. So somewhere right here we can say that we have a trend line, and oh, the price right now is on that trend line, and Stochastic shows us the signal as well. Let's see. Maybe we will be able to enter a deal for a downward trend, because in general we see momentum was getting lower and lower. So if the price goes down, if we see a big good red candlestick, then we will probably enter into a deal for a downtrend. So let's put a little notification somewhere here. So moving on. Ugh, again, what is going on with the price? Everywhere. Oh, so CAD GPY, the payout is ugh. Even if the price is gonna go down with this kind of payout, I don't like working with such payouts. So, ignoring that one. Simply ignoring it. Anyway, so on all the currency pairs, we're actually waiting for stuff. Oh, so here we have the structural downtrend being broken through. So let's risk it for the biscuit and open the deal for an upward trend on the currency pair dollar and Japanese yen. 3-minute expiration time $50, and you see the trend line, and from the trend line we see the breakthrough of the structure. But let's look at the chat until we are waiting for the deal to be closed. Sending love from Bahrain. Hello, hello. Sending love to you too. Hello, Canada. Hello, Florida. Oh, thank you, Michael. Thank you so much. Have you ever experienced burnout from trading? Of course, I kind of did. But it's not like from trading. I would say it's from this series of losses that can kind of like just fuck you up. Because if you work like that for 3 days in a row, you have to spend some time to get your mental health back, you know. But yeah, in any case, let's a little bit conversation, like let's have a little conversation. I'm sorry. I don't know. You can ask me anything and everything. Ask questions, leave comments. Have you seen the last video? If you have, then tell me, oh, what do you think about that? So for now, let's move on. Ooh, the price is going down. So we're entering into a deal on the currency pair AUD CHF, $50 downward trend, 3-minute expiration time. We have that trend line going downwards. There was a pullback to that, and from here I'm expecting the deal to be closed in black because it's the price supposed to go down, supposed to at least. And our dollar and yen, we opened a deal at the highest point and the price decided to go down. And I believe that this one is going to be closed in red, which is upsetting, but it is what it is. And that's weird because we broke through the previous high. And ideally the price was supposed to go upwards, but meh. In 30 seconds, we're gonna lose the money, lose $50. Yeah, I don't think the price is gonna do like a really fast impulse movement upwards, and I'm thinking maybe I should enter into another deal for an upward trend right now. But don't want to risk it. So I'll just have to deal with it. Deal with the loss of money. 1 second, and it's closed in red. And Quotex doesn't give me the notification about that. It's glitching a little. It happens sometimes for some reason, but trust me. Yeah, see, it's closed in red. So we lost $50. And AUD CHF looks quite good. That one looks good. Yeah, it's slowly moving. It was a bit too fast. We should have opened it for $100 for, like, you know, Martingale steps and stuff. But it is what it is. We have 1 minute left. Let's look at other currency pairs. Not enough entry points today, which is upsetting. And I'm quite nervous to lose any of them, so that's why I'm gonna try to skip around. Oh, that's just a swing high. It doesn't really show the resistance, but there was an impulse movement downwards, and maybe it's gonna happen again. So let's put it right here, a little level here. Yeah. So from previous time, we have impulse movement downwards, and probably it's going to happen again. And here we have 3 seconds left, 2, 1, and done. Yes, we got the money, and Quotex did a good job showing me the notification. Amazing, amazing. Just one loss today. Where have I been? The heck? Yeah, this one. USD Canadian dollar. So here we're gonna wait for an entry point for the downward trend, and the stochastic also gives us the signal. I like this point. So let's risk it and enter into a deal for a downward trend. And I'm really sorry, guys, if I'm not answering right away, because it's quite hard for me to focus on the session, especially in situation like that, and look at your comments. Why don't you trade OTC? 11 apologize. So I have a separate video why I don't trade with OTC, but if in short, OTC currency pairs do not exist. It's a simulation of the price that broker gives us. So of course, broker who's interested in us losing money, I'm not sure if they will give us a good chart to make money on. So that's a short explanation. If you want to know more, you can watch the video. If I remember it correctly, it's the truth about OTC on binary options. Next one, best. As I see it, OTC pairs are too volatile at times. Yeah, best. It's kind of true. You are right. They are volatile at times, but for the most part, this is just a drawn chart. There is nothing behind it, no demand, nothing. So it's just something that a broker chooses to do with the chart, and that's it. And it's impossible to analyze the price of something that doesn't exist in real world. Okay, getting back to the deal. And what the fudgizzle, dude? The price went back up again. And that's upsetting, guys. Can you please just give me a little support? Get some likes on the stream and stuff, just for me to, you know, have something good about this stream today. Because again, as I said, this is the first official stream. I'm quite nervous. We had one yesterday, but it wasn't like officially announced to everybody. So can you please show me a little more love? Because I'm nervous as hell still. Okay. So we have around like 50 seconds left, and we can see that there was a huge fall, and I am expecting that the price is still gonna go down. Even if we're gonna close this deal in red, I'm gonna open another one for a downtrend right away, because I believe myself, I believe my predictions. 20 seconds left. Sometimes it takes so much for me not to care about losing money. Look at this bee. Look at this little freaking bee. I hate it. I hate it so much when that happens. But it is what it is. So we lost another $50, unfortunately. Tell me, what do you think about the situation? And first of all, I'm gonna change this because Martingale, and I'm gonna still say that it's gonna be going down. So USDT, Canadian dollars, using $100, 3-minute expiration time for a downward trend, because I believe that that level should be the supply level from which the price should go down. Have to, has to, has to. Anywho, let's get back to the commentary. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Explore the world. Have you ever worked with... Don't change handle. Yes, I did. And I think one of the strategies that I had in my videos, it's like one of the old ones. In general, I like to work with Gelter channel. Gelter channel is a bit more comfortable for me, a bit more convenient for me. How many years have you been trading in binary options? I would say it's been around 4 years with binary options, and before that I worked with Forex, and it didn't really work for me. You're the best. Oh, Charlie, thank you. You're doing great. Startup, thank you. Check your 5-minute time frame. Explore the world. What are you talking about? Check your 5-minute time frame. What? 11 apologetics already tried today, lost a lot. The market isn't friendly today. Oh, it's not freaking friendly. That's not saying anything to say that it's not friendly. You see it right now, right in front of your eyes. It is annoying because probably that's what you meant with the time frame, but we see the same freaking thing actually. So, still, please explain yourself. That's weird. Don't like it. I'm afraid that the price is gonna be doing the freaking consolidation again. Consolidation bullshit today is everywhere. So the price actually jumping around the entry point, and we have like 40 seconds left. Wish for it to go down. So guys, please cross your fingers for me. And by the way, guys, if there is someone right here, right now on the stream, and you are still not in our academy, I have a link to my Telegram, and you can text me on my Telegram, I want to learn. I will add you to that academy. You will get a course, you will get my support, supervisor support. It's completely free, and I hope you will be able to enter into deals better than I do, because that's fuckery. Don't like it. Don't like it. This is the same situation that the price went to the key level, and on the key level it started consolidation process. I'm not going to enter into a deal for the third time on the same chart. So next step of Martingale is going to be $200, and I fucking hate this chart, and I still believe that the price is going to go down, and that's why I'm going to put a notification that if the price is going to go lower, we will think about that. For now, next chart. Ooh, 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 ooh. The price actually went to this level. Last time we didn't open the deal for an upward trend. And for now, situation might be quite different. Ooh, do 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 do. What do you think, guys? What do you think? So I see we have the price touching this level 2 times, and this is the 3rd time. So not sure about that. Let me put this level as well a bit lower right here. If we see the 4th touch, and then we will enter into a deal. For now, I'm not going to risk it because $200, that's a lot of money. Okay, AUD GPY, the level is broken through. Price is moving downwards, but in a weird way. This is kind of interesting, but we are going to put notification to the point where the price is going to reach this level, and on a retest, we will enter into a deal for a downward trend. For now, moving on. This one with a bad payout. Here we had a retest. That's what I was talking about. It went through the level, retested, and goes downwards. Ugh. Any other good entry points? Nothing. Nothing. We have nothing. But here we have something. There is a break through the trend line and signal from Stochastic. Ooh, ooh, ooh. If it breaks this level, let me put a notification. Maybe if there's a valid breakout, then we will use it. Not now. Boy, it's a hard day today. Hard day, anywho. So the price went to a new corridor, so let's wait for it to make up its mind about what it's gonna do. What is this level? Oh, yeah. So the level was broken through, and we have this level actually, and that's more interesting for me right now. So we have a level from which the price actually jumped upwards quite well. But I'm not gonna risk it, at least for this second. I will put a notification, so if the price starts a good jump, then we will enter into a deal. Here. Oh, see? Finally, the level worked. Kinda. Did it? We don't know. Here. Price didn't even drop here. Ugh. The hell is going on? Anywho, let's add some additional currency pairs. All of the entry points are not really good, and I do not want to risk $200. Maybe some new currency pairs will have something more interesting. Huh? Huh? Here we have an aggressive downtrend. Oh. Oh, aggressive. Oink. Let's put, oh, again, this little thing. This little thing. Anyways, so we have this trend line. Will we have an entry point? We don't look at stochastic right now. It's going to be in this level until it's like this aggressive downtrend. It's okay. And right now we're looking at entry points for a downtrend, and we again to wait. So let's move on. And the price still dancing around. We have green candlestick, dodgy candlestick, red candlestick. Should I enter into a deal right now? There is no logical like reasons for the price not to drop. You know? I don't want to risk it, but I'm tired of this bullshit. And again, the price going back to that level. Ugh. Beauty C80. What are you doing? Everything looks weird to me, to be quite honest with you. If you have any suggestions and you are trading right now by yourself, tell me about that. So for now, I'm gonna enter into a deal on USD GPY for an upward trend. We see the support and resistance levels. Let me put a little visual for you to see it. Yoink. Right here, we have the support level. Yoink. Somewhere here. And also we have the resistance level. And right now we see the price corridor and expecting the price to go upwards and reach the resistance level. So for now, let's talk to you guys. I'm looking at the chat in the moments where we have free time, but the market is not really good, so I'm paying more attention to that. Anywho, Cross, what's your Instagram gonna follow on all platform? Do you often one-on-one? I actually do not use Instagram for business purposes. It's only for friends and family. Or more accuracy, explore the world. So with such a fast trading work, we have enough with 1 minute time frame. Hala. Hey Alice, which market session are you trading in, my dear? You mean which session? This is like London, New York session usually for me. What else? Some commentaries are written in languages I do not speak. I'm so sorry, guys. So if you can, please ask anything you want to in English. And again, I do not have Instagram, Samuel. Don't use it. Thank you, Patrick. Thank you, everybody. So I'm getting back to the chart and looking at what the hell is going on. And this deal is working quite well. Thank God. Thank God. So our deal finally is going to be closed in black. And we don't have to use Martingale with the next step. What do you think about Martingale, by the way? Tell me, what are you doing usually in situations where you lose like 3 in a row and stuff like that? Because we have some time right now, because the market is not really good right now. Oh, and tell me, what do you usually do in your trading sessions? We have 3, 2, 1, 0, closed in black. Amazing, amazing, amazing. We got the money back. We got the money back. So if you were trading with me with this deal specifically, send a plus in the chat or tell me, what do you usually do in the situations where when the market doesn't have anything good? Do you stop or do you try to find any entry points? And here we actually can catch a new downtrend forming. Let's put a trend line right here. Wait, the hell? Sorry, I was distracted for a second. And right here. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna enter into a deal for a downward trend on a currency pair Euro British Pound for 3-minute expiration time, $50 using from my balance. Oh, what's gonna happen here? So, getting back to the chat. So, 2 deals in a row. I have some time to talk to you guys. Best, what are your personal trading goals for the next year? Anything exciting in the works? What are my goals? I have like basically one goal to become better as a trader and get my win rate higher. And if I say like some specific number, in my dreams, I would say 85 win rate. Oh, amazing. Next one. Ethic. I'm still just trading with $1 and just spam it if I think the trade will go well. Well, listen, spamming $1 deals is probably not the best strategy to use. Patrick John, I think Alice, thanks for the first live trade. You're so welcome. I'll do it more often. Charlie, when the market isn't favorable, I close everything. Needless. Yeah, I agree. That's the best case scenario. For now, we have a lot of currency pairs. That's why I'm trying to find good entry points. But that's not ideal time for streaming right now, as you can obviously see. But it is what it is. I'm just trying to make some content for you that's more interesting, you know, because we always have videos, and live trading has always been, even for me, was always more interesting to see how the trader works, how you apply those strategies in real life. So, getting back to trading, we have 1 minute left. Let's look at other currency pairs. Here the price reached this level. We had a small retest, and there was a little bit of you know, maybe we can enter into a deal for an upward trend. That's a bit risky right now, but maybe. Oh, AUD, we have a notification. What is going on? Oh, the price finally reached this level. We need to look. Still need to see what's going to happen because the price could do the retest. Right now we see 1, 2, 3, almost 3, 4 touches. And price now broke through the level and got back. So maybe that will be interesting. But for now we have 2 seconds, 1 second. What the hell are you doing? Is this a joke? Is this a joke? Yeah, it's closed in fucking black or red. I'm sorry. It was dancing around the trend line, and unfortunately now it's closed in red. But I'm sure the price is gonna go down. Anyways, let's move on to the next one and get our Martingale involved. And right now, I'm interested in this currency pair because I think there is potentially an entry point. I would enter for a deal for a downtrend, but we need a good candlestick for that. For now, we need to wait and see what's going on. And this is ideal, would be ideal if this candlestick would be closed as doji candlestick and the next one would go downwards. Then I will be definitely sure, which it didn't give me a good doji candlestick. Frick. It's too early then. Let's move on. The frick is going on again, see? The price is supposed to go down. What is this? What is this? Oh, the sellers, they do not give us the opportunity to push the price down. So we're going to enter into a deal for a downward trend because that's my opinion. Euro GBP 3-minute expiration time, $100 for a downtrend. And at the same time, I want to look at AUD GPY and see what's going to happen here, because probably here I'm going to be able to enter into a deal for a downward trend. For fuck's sake. I'm getting annoyed. Annoyed as hell. So let me change it back to $100. Yes, still it's going to be $100. And we're going to enter into a deal for a downward trend. What do we see? We see our level from which there was a rejections upwards. Level was broken through. The price went back to the level. We have a retest, and I'm expecting the price to go down. So 2 deals are opened right now. And this is AUD GPY currency pair for 3-minute expiration time, $100 used. So, chat. Peter, marry me. Sorry. Now. Explore the world. Love it. Yeah, I love it too. Right here again. Hey there. How you doing? How you doing? Price action, nice. Yeah, price action is always nice. I always work with it. I'm a price action trader. And if you are too, then my content on my channel is going to be quite interesting for you. So check it out if you haven't seen it yet. So our first deal. Down. Going down. But we still have a minute left. And wow. I hope it's gonna do well. Oh, by the way, guys, I didn't even ask you, do you see me well? Do you hear me well? Because I just started streaming. I need to have feedback. What do you think about the picture? What do you think about the sound? If everything is good, leave this emoji or leave a plus in the chat. Good, and you? I'm great, thank you. Thank you, hon. Anywho, guys, I have some moments. If I missed any of your questions, text it, leave it in the comment section again, because I'm trying to look at it and I don't see any of those that I missed. But if I did, leave it in the comment section again. We have 16 seconds left. Less than that, 10 seconds left. And it's looking good. It's looking like we're getting the money. Yeah. So Euro GBP is closed in black. If you were trading that one with me as well, leave a plus in the chat. And this one is bad. It showed us a fake reaction to the level and went not to the direction that we were interested in, and I'm not happy about that. Definitely not happy. Everything today, all the currency pairs are behaving weirdly because they are just like not reacting to the level according to the rules. Okay, so this one is also closed in red. Makes me upset. An hour of my life making me so upset. I hope everyone understands that right here, the price should go down objectively. If you look at this situation, you can definitely see that obviously price is supposed to go down. So right here, Stochastic gives us the signal for a downward trend. Let's just add any other indicator. MACD. What about that? MACD. Oh shit, MACD doesn't give us the signal. Christ. Anywho, I believe I'm right. If you disagree, tell me what do you think about that, because I'm getting confused. So I'm opening another deal for a downward trend on the same currency pair, AUD GPY for 3-minute time frame using $100. Everything I've noticed, everything that we are working with support and resistance levels are closed in red, and everything that we are doing with the trend lines working great. Do you see this again? Do you see this again? This is supposed to be a good thing. Entering into a deal for a downward trend from support level. CAD GP buy. We have the level that was broken through from the first retest. We have jump upwards, downwards, and now right here with the retest, we see that the price is reacting to the level, and we have two deals opened. AUD GPY and CAD GPY for 3 minutes. Oh, what the fuck are you doing here, honey? Go down. Go down. Stop it. Stop it. Anyways, I don't want to look at that. Let's look at the chat. Everyone sees me. Everyone hears me. That's good. AUD GPY. Yeah, Tony B50. I'm also there. Right. It's supposed to drop. It's supposed to drop. Samuel, everything about the stream is perfect. Thank you. You only trade real market, no OTC. Tally, yes, I do not work with OTC pairs. I have a separate video on my channel, The Truth About OTC on Binary Options. You can watch that one. And I have a lot to say about that. Yee. AUD GPY kind like triangle. What? What? Triangle breakout? Oh, yeah. I kind of understand, but kind of don't. Give me 1 second to think about that. No, I don't really see triangle breakout there. Maybe if like we're talking about this situation, this is an uptrend and that is resistance. But there is not much time to say that this is a breakout with a triangle. So I disagree with you. Or maybe I just didn't understand you correctly. So tell me what do you think about that? The fuck is going on? I'm upset. I'm upset. We have 30, no, we have 7 seconds left. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Do you have the fucking explanation with what logic the price is rising right now? Do you? Do you? I don't. This is the least logical move for the price to grow right now. And the second one with GPY as well is also going to be closed in red. Okay. Yeah, okay. Martingale. We are martingaling. Losing money today. So the first stream didn't really go well. I'm sorry about that, guys. But it is what it is. As I said, we're not working with support and resistance anymore, because fuck that. Fuck all of them. Or maybe I'm lying right now. So the price working upwards. What the hell is going on? Every single notification is active right now. So, okay. Let's do 300 because 400 is too much. Entering into a deal for a downward trend. And if someone is has connected to the stream just now, we lost money on this currency pair 2 times already. We see obvious supply zone, right? The price dropped from here. Price was supposed to drop again, but it jumped through the level, and right here we have the of liquidity, and the price is dropping now, and we have the impulse movement. So now fucking I hope so that the deal is going to be closed in black For Christ's sake. And some other notification was sent to me. So the price went to this level. But again, what's going on? It seems like the price is supposed to go up, but I don't freaking trust it. And Stochastic shows us the signal that it's too late. So, getting angry. GBP AUD broke through level, and it worked 3 times, like 4 times. Broke through, there was a retest, and the price went damn. Nothing to do there. So let's wait for this one to be closed, and let's read the chat. Charlie, keep it on, Alice. Thank you, darling. Hamel, are you not using VFG? Yes. I do, but with such fast trading like the one that we're doing right now, I don't think this is the rational way to use fair value gaps, because it's more suitable for slow trading. On a stream, we're trying to open as many deals as possible, and trendline and support and resistance are more logical. But that's just my opinion. That's just my opinion. AUD GPY, the breakout is obvious in 5 minutes. Okay, I will look at that. Give me 1 second. I wait for Stochastic to go under the level of 80 before I sell. That's right, that's right. Anywho, AUD GPY on a 5 minute time frame. Yeah. Is the breakout obvious? Breakout from what? I'm sorry. We have a downtrend. What breakout are you talking about? What are you talking about? Explain a little more, because I don't understand. Oh, this one is closed. We got it, baby. We got it. We got it. Got it. Got it. That's amazing. So in general, I do not understand why it is obvious for you to see like the breakout here. I don't. With the trend line, the breakout, there is no breakout. So please explain. Please explain. So in general, we have $609. We have $109 in profit. We made a lot of mistakes, and was a good day in general because we still got the money. Give me 1 second. Maybe we can do one more deal, because that's going to be the end of our session, because we did a lot today and the market is not the best. So thank you everybody who was on the stream right now. I think while we still have the profit, we should end the session. You know, be careful with your money. And tomorrow we also gonna have a stream, so subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on that notification bell to not miss any new videos or streams. And if you're still not in our academy, text on my Telegram. The link is under this stream or under any video on my channel, so you can text me and you can start your learning how to trade on binary options. You will get support from me and a supervisor, and of course a lot of new lessons and a great community. But thank you everybody who was here today, and I will see you